Welcome back to the CryptoLabs YouTube channel. Please don't touch this project. I'm seeing yet another, bunch of stuff popping up on YouTube, and I got a DM asking about this question. And so I figured if one person asked me, multiple people must be thinking this. Please, 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 anything that makes you start some account, anything like this, please don't touch it. Anything that has some kind of 20-day, 30-day, 40-day plan where they're going to give you 3% or 10%. I know how people are still getting massively hurt by this. I know how attractive this may seem. Oh, I'll just put in a couple $100 and I'll get 10% daily and life is good. You will lose your money. That's guaranteed. I promise you. Please don't touch it. Please. I Google it. I'm like AKA platform, and some of these people are clicking on this stuff. Please, please, please. And here's why. I'm going to open up my Telegram. This is the behind the scenes of how this works. Good morning. Hi. AKA has been running stably for a month now. Are you considering joining our YouTube channel? My offer is to pay you. So this is a message I got. $1,000 into your wallet after confirming the agreement, and they'll provide a $1,000 deposit for me. If you go through these videos, you'll see the same thing. Hey, I invested $1,000 into this platform. They didn't. It's free. This is how these things work. I just want to show you behind the scenes because people aren't talking about this. You could withdraw profits every day, and you can withdraw this 1K deposit after the plan is complete. I will fund your account for 10 purchases, whatever that is. And this is how it works behind the scenes. In 1 month, you can earn at least 3K, blah, blah, blah. And then of course they have a referral structure, blah, 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 blah. We just don't touch this stuff. There was a point where if you strategically played these and you got in and you got out, you won more than you lost. But now it's just, it's all crap. It's all junk. When I can, in a decentralized way, I started this with almost $5,000. It was like $4,500. It's now worth almost $17,000. I have full control of my liquidity. You have full I can close this position. I can remove all my liquidity from this yield farm. And I started because, again, there was some rumors and some noise about Coinbase with Aerodrome, which is a DEX. There was some stuff with overnight finance or on turbos. You've been seeing me. This isn't made up. Whenever you started watching these videos, you saw me deposit around $4,000 into turbos, which is a decentralized exchange, where I earn money off the fees that are created, and it's now worth 10.7. Yes, some price appreciation, but also I literally this morning I took another $1,600 in profit, and guess what? I moved it back into my liquidity pool, and I started with around $4,000 on this. You can check YouTube history for the last 10 weeks, 12 weeks. And I can go in here and I can remove all my liquidity in a heartbeat. I am in full control of this. Full control. Whereas all of these kind of ROI Dapps centralized type projects, please remember you're depositing money and you will probably never ever see it again. You will lose money. Whereas if you're on Aerodrome or on XtraFi or on Uniswap or on Trader Joe, I'll put some videos on how we do this and our strategy. We also have a free course, by the way. Like, join a free course because we go through a lot of this. It's up in here, DeFi as a Business. If you haven't yet jumped, make sure you jump into this. It is free and we go deep. We talk about what is DeFi, how to make money in DeFi, the opportunities in DeFi, and how it actually works, where to find these opportunities, how to assess the risk reward, how to enter these pools, how to do support resistance, all that fun stuff. And if you ever choose to join us in the actual Underdog investor community, which is our paid community, every week you get you get daily live coaching, you get daily lives, you get daily support, you get Wednesday opportunity of the week where we do all the research for you. And then at the end of every week, a report comes out. And in that report, we cover the top 3 opportunities. We do all of our research, our TA for you. It's ridiculous. And then, of course, you can see our personal positions. And as you can see, this is from 4 weeks ago. I had $5,000 back in the day, not even. And I kept growing that to what it is now, which is almost 17,000. I think this will be a 25K to 30K. It makes me $231 a day, between 230 and 300, depending what the yields are generating. And I'm in full control. You can join us for 10 minutes, 1 hour, 1 week, 30 days. If I see the yields drop or the tokens or coins, the TA on it, and the actual projects don't look as attractive as they used to, I can remove my liquidity. I can move it anywhere I want at any moment. I'm in full control. That's called a DeFi business. That's true DeFi. All this stuff is not DeFi, just so you know. It's just like it's crap. It's crap DeFi. It's not even DeFi. It's centralized. It's as centralized as can be. So just stay away from it. That's all I wanted to say. I hope looking behind the scenes on how it works by seeing the Telegram chat there reminds you to like, hey, a lot of these projects you'll see and people talking about it, it's funded by the actual project. That's how they get paid. Then they get to show it. It's great content, and people join through the referral links and they get paid for it. And again, I'm not blaming these people here. Do what you want to do. I just want you to know how it works. And I think hopefully I showed you that. I'd stick to True DeFi all day long, or at least I'd learn the skills on how to utilize True DeFi instead of hoping that you get, again, what, 10% a day? Are you kidding me? This thing will not last, just so we know. If you're more into the True DeFi side of things, then definitely grab a free course. I'll put a link for it below, or you can just jump on CryptoLabsResearch.com and grab a link for it. Plus, a ton of articles are always coming out, and just grab the free course. That's what I'll say. And if you already grabbed the free course or just want to dive deeper in on stuff, what I'll do is I'll move my mug in the middle, and I'll leave some more educational content here and here and here and here on this YouTube channel. Keep learning this stuff. This is a skill that I don't think there is a better opportunity in 2024 and into 25 than this right now. So that's up to you. With that said, I'm going to get out of here. Like, subscribe, all that cool, fun stuff. Stick around on this YouTube channel. Hang out for an hour or two. Study this stuff. And with that said, hope you learned some stuff, and we'll see you in the next. Peace.